Paseco Hospital was envisioned during the time first term natin.
Maingay, huwag maingay.
Kasi napapansin ko, sa marami natin disgrasya na minsan yung lack of opportunity for what you call golden hour. May tinatawag ang mga doktor na gano'n eh. Because of access to room and the challenges there, minsan mamatay yung mga biktima o anuman ng emergency sa Paseco. So we opted to give them, and I think high time already for them, for this large community, to have their own hospital.
Mayor, nabanggit ko kanina ni Dr. Biguanan, 2022 siya natapos, 3
Yes.
years
Yes.
na natenga. Ano
Kasi
pong
na-start
paliwanag?
namin 2020, natapos 2022 before I left. 3 years nakatenga.
Bakit po hindi na?
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam. Tanungin nyo na lang yung nakarang
Hindi
administration.
raw po nakapasa sa standard ng
Eh bakit
DOH?
nakapasa ngayon? Pagka
Pasado.
gusto, marami. Yes, it's not easy to, you can make all the excuses in this world. Ang importante, in every corner, in every turn, when there is stumbling block, depende sa mindset mo if you're going to use stumbling blocks as stepping stone. It's up to you as leaders.
Saan po ba
Kaya
dati?
tayo, hindi naman tayo titigil with regard to our dreams and aspiration for the people of Manila, investing into MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Tuloy-tuloy yun. And this, today, I'm excited for the people of Paseco.
Kinukonvert mo ito modern community kung may hirap na tao. Dahil sabi mo, babago ka na naman ng market.
Market. Lahat dyan, yung pa-housing dyan, magkakaroon pa ng fire station dyan. Ito, yes, magkakaroon ng fire station. Lahat na pwede namin mabuo para umayos at desente, maging desente ang pamumuhay dito.
Palinawin ko lang sir. Ito ba pwede din yung mga ibang karating barangay ng Paseco?
Ako, Intraport.
Oo, yun.
Intramuros Port Area Barangay. About 80,000 of them. Ang community nito that surround this hospital is about 80,000. It's like one municipality or two municipality in the province. That's how it is.
Parang patero sa
Pero ito, at least, pagpasok nila, pumapasok pa lang sila, mukha na sila nabubuhay.
Oo nga.
Pumapasok pa lang nabubuhay ka.
Pampitong, ano na to? Pampitong hospital na ng Maynila. Okay.
Dalawang modern hospital na. And we are now renovating. Update ko lang kayo, malapit na. Inaantabayanan na lang na yung katulad yung siya, no? Sabi mo yung, bakit daw hindi nabuksan?
Bumagsak sa standard.
Ito, para paalala ko ulit. Katulad nun, ha? Ito, magandang, simple lang to. Re-renovate namin yung Sampaloc emergency room. So may design. Approve na ba yun? Nadala mo yun sa DOH. Tapos DOH, CCS atin, ibabalik sa'yo. Change. Then balik mo ulit. Pagbalik mo, meron pa yung isa. Change. Then so on and so on. Until it's approved. Then you start to build. Kaya when it was built, approved yung assignment.
Ready to open, ready to operate na.
Depende kung tinupad mo ba yung mga nakasaad doon sa sinumite mo sa DOH. Kasi they are the agency. Whether you like it or not. So, pinakamabisa talaga niya, always coordinate. At saka pagka gusto, maraming paraan. Pag-ayaw, maraming dahilan.
Isa lang ako kay Ma'am Prince. Ma'am Prince, naranasan dati nung bago kay Mayor Pacific. Walang gamot, walang laboratory sa mga hospital. Mangyayari pa ba ulit ito?
Hindi na ngayon. Nandito na si Mayor Isko eh. Naka-budget na po kami niya.
So may assurance tayo.
Hanggang December. Opo, meron.
Wala nang appointment.
Wala na.
Wala,
Walk-in tayo.
ano tayo?
Walk-in tayo.
St. Luke's?
May appointment nun.
You know, gusto natin ng kaayusan na sistema sa ospital. But kung gusto natin gawin yun, gawin natin bilang gobyerno. Not at the expense of our people. Kung tao naman na mahirapan what's there to have a system? Guide them. But rest assured, Vice Mayor GNI and the City Council will continue to focus, craft laws, whatever resources we have, if there is, will invest into MDN. Minimum basic.
Good project.
Mayor, other matters po. Kahapon po may na-discover ang Malacanang substandard na film center po sa Intramuros, sir. Under the company ng mga Diskaya, sir. Paiimbestigahan din ba natin ito? What are your comments on this, sir?
I think they're investigating it right now under the IA or Intramuros Administration. So I will let them do their job. And I think even the First Lady, for that matter, is in dismay. At ibibigay niya yung ulat na yan sa proper agency.
Bukod po ba sa mga Diskaya, Mayor, meron din po ba tayo mga investigahan for possible tax evasion? Kasi 43 contractors.
Wala pa naman tax evasion. We're just sending them the SOA. They tried to, create so many excuses in the past. But moving forward, so not to point fingers, not to point our fingers always in the past. We point it forward. Moving forward. O ngayon, hindi kayo nagbayad ng contractor's tax. Bigyan namin kayo ng SOA. O hindi nagbayad. O hindi kita-kita tayo sa hoyo. We'll pursue whatever legal means because this is due and accrued already to the city. That's where we're at. Yung piling up cases the way we did it with the other contractors, as long as right for piling up cases, we have evidence, whether it's subcontract or ghost or whatever it is, and whoever it is. Kahit kakampi namin, nininervous ngayon kung may ginawa silang masama. Kung wala naman, matulog silang maimbing kahit kalaban namin sila. Halimbawa naman, kalaban namin sa politika. Kung manatag kayo, kung wala kayong ginawang masama, steady lang kayo sa Gedli. Gampanan nyo ang tungkulin ninyo, gagampanan namin ang tungkulin namin. Trabaho tayo para sa tao. Because that's the reason of public office. That's the purpose of public office. Do your job. And kung sumama sila, hindi sila sumama sa susunod, that's a thing for the future. For the meantime, just trabaho lang, kahit lang. Nakita mo ngayon, sayang ito, na-deprive yung Pasay community na 3 years. But, we'll catch up. Nandito naman na kami in our own little way, Vice Mayor GNI and the entire City Council.
Okay na.
Tapos, meron kami tinatry dito na bagong sistema. Pagka naging effective yun, we'll do it in our 40 plus health centers in the city of Manila. May pilot kaming ginagawa dito. Oh, ibig sabihin, Pat, every time pupunta ka rito, dapat fresh lagi.
Kaya ko press si Pat.
Wala na yung near to expiration date. At wala na rin ma-expire. Ibig sabihin, wasted. Ano yan trabaho pariwara. Bibili ka ng amoxicillin, yung kailangan pala biogesic. Hindi nasira lang yung amoxicillin. It gets, yan ang pagiging masino.
Kay Dr. Grace po, Doktora, ilan po yung maximum capacity na pwede natin i-accommodate dito sa hospital?
Ang bed capacity nito ay 50 beds.
50 beds.
Pag naaprubahan tayo ng DOH sa December,
Hopefully. Yeah.
i-apply namin, ma-accommodate na natin ang 50 patients.
Sa ngayon, yung OPD muna. Pero ano yan, progression tayo naman, maswerte tayo pag may pagkukulang Manila. Sinasabi naman agad ng DOH at tinutugunan naman natin agad. Sige.
Thank you.
Okay.
Boss, chumicha na ba kayo? Di ba?
Okay, thank you,
Sige,
thank you,
lipas din yan.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Tayo, huli ko rin po.